Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. Okay guys, so as from the title you must be already knowing that today I am going to tell you something really interesting. Okay guys, so if you are following me, like for the people who are following me since a long time, know that I am an engineer, means full stressful wala life. And second thing, I am doing my own business. I am uploading videos on YouTube and doing a lot of stuffs, a lot of things at a time. And yes, I do get stressed, I do feel low. Many of the times I literally like get totally upset. My nights and nights go literally clueless. So how to overcome those things, how to overcome your stress, and how to overcome your sadness, upset, hurt. Everything happens, it's human, like it's human nature. Everything happens to everyone, but it's always how you take it and how you overcome that thing. So the thoughts you get or the way you feel stressed, I have a couple of things which you can try, whatever you like, and this will definitely help you. Like I have tried them, that's why I am telling that yes, it will help you. So yeah, without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, first thing you can do is play Candy Crush. Yes, it is literally silly, it is literally stupid, but it does work. Yes, it makes you stress free and it avoids thoughts to enter your mind. If it don't avoids, then it will literally make it less. Or not Candy Crush, then you can play such games which make you engage in that game and not the other things in the world. So yeah, don't make it addiction, but yes, even if you get addicted to it, but you will come out of that zone, and coming out from that zone is literally a big thing, I know. Okay, so just go, and I personally play Candy Crush. I literally like Candy Crush. Next thing is start gym, like start exercising. It is always said that make exercise your friend and you don't need another friend. Yeah, it is for a book, I know, but then also exercise do work, like physical activity. You can do whatever you like I do Zumba. You can go gym, you can do swimming, you can do running, you can play squash, you can play tennis, you can play badminton. Any of the games or any of the physical activity, it will literally work. And next thing is stop being awake till late night. And how to avoid that? Just do one thing. Next morning wake up early and don't sleep whole day. Yes, that day will be very difficult, but that night you will sleep early and next morning it will help you to wake up early. So waking up early makes you stress free, and being awake till late night, it will make you stressful. Yes, this is my personal experience as well. So stop being awake till late night. Yeah. Next thing is listen music. Don't listen that low wala music. Listen dhinchak wala music. Yeah. Or you can do is dance. Dance and music literally helps to remove all your stress from your body. Don't watch series. Don't watch movies. Don't engage yourself in such things. Don't engage yourself in social media, especially Instagram or Snapchat. It makes you go into that zone more and more. So don't do that. Avoid those things and do these things which I am telling you. It will work. Definitely it will work. Next thing is you can do painting or drawing or whatever you like. Literally not scribbling on the back of the book. It's just literally doing painting or coloring. Yes, it is stupid, it is childish, but it does work. Just remember, you when you were a child, you were not that stressed as you are now, because you are doing such silly stupid things. So it does work. I myself have a drawing book and a colors, like I use pencil colors. So it does work. Yes, do stupid things, it will work. Next thing is that love yourself. Just see into the mirror and see you're perfect. You can smile, and you don't have such stress. And live in today. Don't think 10 days after what will happen. Think what is going to happen now, what will happen tomorrow. That's it. And what happened in past doesn't matter at all. And always remember, your family loves you, whatever happens. Next thing is plan, schedule the way you want things to happen or the way you want to pass your days, and it will go smoothly. Don't worry, it will work. It does work, obviously. Avoid consumption of caffeine. It makes you go inside that more and more. Caffeine triggers your mind. Just remember this. So avoid caffeine for 1-2 weeks till the time you are out of that zone. So it will help you a lot. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and all your stress will vanish. Yeah, this is what I have observed. This is what I have experienced since last like 4 to 5 years, and it has literally worked. And yeah, it is going good. Yeah, so just stay happy and stay tuned on my channel. I upload my new videos on every day nowadays, at least for next 20 days. And always remember, it's always how you take it. So just take it positively, just take it smilingly, and nikal do. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.